Namaste. Good morning, everyone. Chief guest for this conference, Honorable Saurav Vijay, Principal Secretary, Higher and Technical Education, Government of Maharashtra. Honorable Professor Muralidhar Chandekar, Vice Chancellor, Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University. Honorable Dr. Dhanraj Mane, Director, Higher Education, Government of Maharashtra. Honorable Professor Sudhir Gavhane, Vice Chancellor, Mahatma Gandhi Mission University, Aurangabad. Honorable Professor Devanand Shinde, former Vice Chancellor, Shivaji University, Kolhapur. Honorable Professor K. Murugan, Bhartiyar University, Coimbatore. Honorable Professor Vasant Helavi Reddy, Director, Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, and the convener for this conference. Dignitaries, invited guests, speakers, delegates, organizing committee members, media, students, and all the participants. I, Kishore Patil, organizing secretary for this conference, take this opportunity to welcome you. A warm welcome to all of you. It is my privilege to introduce this conference in front of you. Dear all, the post-pandemic era is going to alter every aspect of our life, and it is bringing number of challenges as well as opportunities for the society. Keeping this in our mind, it is our sincere effort to provide a platform for discussion among the scientific fraternity and the society as well. Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities, Amravati, is organizing this international e-conference on the subject Sustainable Development, a biological and socio-economical perspective, which is to be held on 26 and 27 June 2020. For this conference, we have association of esteemed organizations as Satpura Foundation India, VMS Research Foundation, Wildlife and Environment Conservation Society, DK International, and Conservation Research and Nature Education Society. We have also collaboration with International Journal of Life Sciences and International Research Journal of Science and Engineering. The highlighted themes for this conference are life sciences, biodiversity, environment, conservation, sustainable development, health sciences, and socio-economics. To discuss all these and other related topics, eminent personalities from India and abroad are gracing this conference with their experiences and expertise views. The invited notable speakers for this conference are Professor Arun Kharath from Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi, Dr. Yuvraj Narnavre from Mac1 University, Canada, Mr. Kishore Rithe, Director, Satpura Foundation, Dr. Jayant Wadatkar from Sant Gadge Baba Amravati University, Professor Krishan Chand Ramotra from Shivaji University, Kolhapur, Professor Shalini Lihitkar from Rashtrasant Tukaroji Maharaj Nagpur University, Dr. Surekha Kalkar from Institute of Science, Nagpur, Dr. K. Pugasetti from University of Madras, Chennai, Dr. Sushant Punekar from Department of Higher Education, Government of Madhya Pradesh, Dr. Mumtaz Beg, Research Scholar, University of Guelph, Canada, and Dr. Benjamin Whitaker from University of Guelph, Canada. Dr. Javed Mohammed from North Carolina State University, United States, Dr. Vishwas Chavan from School of Inspirational Living and Vishwa Sutra Unlimited, Pune, Dr. Muhammad Rafiq Ezad Siddiqui from Aurangabad, Officer Kalpana Chinchkhede from Forest Development Corporation of Maharashtra, and Dr. Amit Setia, Director, Cranes, India. All these personalities are the authorities in their respective fields. Definitely, their deliberations will be fruitful and enlightening for all of us. The conference proceedings is divided into 4 sessions: inaugural session, poster presentation session, organizers days for the faculty of Government Vidarbha Institute of Science and Humanities to express their views, and oral presentation and valedictory session. Based on the decision of our jury panel, selected posters and oral presentations will be presented in their respective sessions. Also, the full-length article will be published post-conference in the special issue of either International Journal of Life Sciences or International Research Journal of Science and Engineering as per the policy of the journals. Here, we are using conference website, YouTube and Telegram channels to telecast this event. For this conference, we have representation from every state of India as well as 14 other nations. I express my gratitude towards you all for giving this conference such a great response. These 2 days are full of intellectual feast for all of us. I urge everyone to enjoy all the deliberations and be the part of active participation in this conference. I thank our director, Dr. Vasanta Helavi Reddy, and the organizing team for giving me an opportunity to interact with you all. Thank you all for patiently listening. Stay home, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you so much.